board guy here again. Sorry about the camera movement, but we did get the piece off the 71 that we had to drill all the welds out. I'll show you that right over here. Here's the piece we got. That's the whole piece. And you can see we got all the welds. We took all the welds out. Drilled them all out. Yeah, I know it's a little noisy. We have to have the heat run. It's a little chilly out. So what we're going to try to do tonight is get this, maybe if everything goes good, mounted to this over here. But the first thing we got to do is there's a lip. This lip right here, that's got to come off, and then we'll set everything in. And I don't want to bore you with just pounding the nuts out, so what I'll do is I'll get this off, and I'll be right back. So we're back, and this is where we're at on it so far. I mean, I just got that sitting up in there. And I only got a screw holding this on. This has still got to be welded. This has all got to be welded yet to the frame. I take the old one out. Try my light here. Take the old one out. I just got it sitting on top, as you can see. But this is where we're at so far. Another thing we got to do is figure out behind the lights to hold them. That's round back there, if you can see it. That's all round. To get these lights in, hold on 1 second. Sorry about the camera, guys. That's got to be straight and down. That's got to be straight and down. Sorry about that wiggle with the camera, but that's how it's going to look when it's done. I mean, we got a lot of work to do yet, a lot of measuring. But that's how far we got to tick weld all of it in and measure it. So we get that done tonight. Whenever we get done, I'll be back to show you. But I'll show you what we got to cut out and everything. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. So we have to take the inside panel too, because that's where all the lights bolt up. See, that's where the lights bolt to, and my car does not have it. So we have to just go ahead. We just drilled out all the welds and took that off. And this is part right here goes over the top of it, so we had to take that off. And on my car, hold on, let me show you, this is round. It's like this, where the 71s are straight. So we got to do, we have to cut all this right down through, and I got to fix this anyway. See, when I told you the car had rust, it didn't look it from. But there's the rust it's got. That's going to be all. We're welding all new pieces in here. Up there. And the other side's got some too, but this car's got some rust. I don't look at it from the pictures, but it's got some. So we got to cut. Next step is to get that all cleaned up. And as you see, these are round. I got to cut over to here like that, all the way down. We're going to cut this all out. And we're going to re-weld. I'm not even using this. We're taking this right out too. And we're going to re-weld. So we did. That's what we're doing for today. Be another couple days for work on the other video, but that's how we got. So next video will be, I'll start getting this all cleaned up and done. So do me a favor, like, subscribe. It don't take much to hit that little button in the corner. And I will see you on my next video.